2023 is just a few steps away from us, and I can see all around me people are sitting and working on their New Year resolutions. It happens every year at this time of the year. It happens all the time. I've seen it for over 60 years. Everyone is being busy, trying to create their New Year resolutions, trying to change the way they've been living, trying to change the entire ecosystem around them, trying to just become better versions of who they believe they weren't in 2022. Now, are you doing that too? Really? Well, then let me tell you what my plans are for 2023. (2023) And let me tell you, what are my 3 plans for this wonderful year ahead of me. For the first one, I am not going to make a resolution. Not 1, not 2, not 10, and not 100, or even 1,000. No, I am going to make no New Year resolutions this time. I've been doing it every year, and let me tell you, it just lasts for 4, 5 days of the New Year, at best 6 or 7. And I don't think I'm alone. No, I don't think I'm alone. How long does your New Year resolutions last? Hey, come on, be honest about that. So I've decided, plan 1, I am going to make absolutely no New Year resolutions, but instead, I am going to keep doing the things that I've been doing in 2022, 2021, 2020, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to do it the difference. I'm going to do it with more passion, more commitment. And what are those? Well, for one, I am not going to be bothered about people who are toxic. People who, keep BSing behind me. I'm not going to be bothered about that. I'm not going to be bothered who pulls me down, who demotivates me, who kicks me around. No, I'm not going to be bothered about that. You know why? Because listen, where's your sense of humor? There are 8 billion people on planet Earth. And you got to have them, yeah? You got to have these guys in your life. What is there to laugh about? Nothing but these chaps. So, you know what I do when I encounter people like this? I keep telling them, hey, listen, dude, I love the way you're BSing behind me. Just keep doing it, please. Because season 2 is coming up with 50 new episodes of my life success stories. You know what I love about these guys? They have me rent-free in their minds all the time. And that is such a funny thing. So I'm not going to be bothered about that. But yes, what I'm going to do, which I've been doing all these years, and I'm going to do it with far more passion and far more commitment, is waking up every morning and thanking God and the universe for this wonderful life I live. I'm going to always be grateful for having an amazing wife, amazing 2 daughters, their husbands, their families. What a wonderful family I have. I'm going to be grateful for that. I'm going to be grateful for all the friends that I have. Some of them who could die for me. And I'm going to be grateful that they're in my life. I'm going to be grateful every morning for all the rewards I have reaped over the years of hard work, whether they were my personal relationships or whether they were my professional existence. And I'm going to be eternally grateful right throughout 2023 for all the comforts I have, for all the love that is given to me, for all the affection, for all the hugs, for everything. Because I think that is where, that's the space I would love to be seeped in. And my plan number 3, this you will love. I am going to love. I am going to absolutely laugh. And I am going to live life king size. I've been doing this before, and I'm going to keep doing this with, like I said, more passion and more commitment. I am going to love selflessly. Let me tell you, you loving me or hating me is your problem, but I will love 8 billion people on planet Earth, and I'm going to love them all. I will always be there to help you become a better version of yourself. I'll always be there to help you turn every dream harbored within you into a reality. Well, as much as I can. And I'm going to do it because I love you. And that is what I'm going to do throughout 2023. Next, I am going to laugh. I'm going to laugh every moment. Let me tell you, there is so much humor in life. There is so much to laugh about. You know why we don't do it? Because we are constantly criticizing. Our perceptions have changed. Our perceptions have changed because the ecosystem keeps changing all the time, and most often we don't like change. And whenever change happens, we get critical. Come on, get your sense of humor back. Laugh. Enjoy every moment. Just the way life was meant to be. Enjoy it. And finally, I am going to live king size as I keep doing. Wake up in the morning, 3 o'clock. Meditate till 5. Burn 3 kilometers down on the road with a solid jog. Hit the gym for 90 minutes. And then spend the entire sunrise to sunset empowering people to become amazing human beings. And I'm going to do that all throughout 2023. So what are your plans? Are you still struggling with that list of promises that you're making? Resolutions that will never last, will probably fade in a week's time? Or are you now actually wanting to hold my hand and walk the only journey we know, a journey called life? Come on, buddy, let's do it. You and I. This is Anand Nair, signing off for now. This is my last vlog this year. But I'm going to see you soon, very soon in the new year. And if you really, really want to walk 2023 with me in the 4 zones and tips or whatever I just talked about, just punch a thumbs up down below. So see you soon. Have an amazing 31st night. Of course, don't do things that I wouldn't do myself. And yes, let's chat in the new year once again. So have a grand, wonderful new year. Ciao for now.